Okay, we are going to do a layer haircut. She had her haircut like maybe 2-3 months ago, so the ends are not that bad. It's gonna be like a trim, like not more than this. And right now she has some layers on the top. We wanna add some layers, right? Your hair is very heavy. That way it's gonna remove some of the bulk and your highlight shows better. You said you wanna go shorter in the front, not like bang, but just like below your chin, right? And your part is in the middle. Is that your part?
I just like it down the middle.
Okay. So here it is.
Yes.
Okay. Do you like the how I can go? Your shortest part is gonna be here. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. I like the color.
You like the color? Me too. Yeah.
It's like subtle.
It is subtle. Exactly.
down like I'm not there for you. Oh, wait for me, I don't stand a chance without you, girl. It's not like I have to be somewhere right now. Why are you crying? Feels like just a day or maybe two since I last saw you, but now I won't come back around, girl. You're not trying. Wait for me, I don't stand a chance without you, girl. It's not like I have to be somewhere right now. Why are you crying?